20 genius 3D printer business ideas you can start today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, you will discover 20 powerful 3D printer business ideas you can start from home, even if you're a beginner. These ideas are practical, profitable, and perfect for the future. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's get started. 1. Customized phone cases. Create strong, stylish phone cases with unique designs. People love personalized items, and this niche never goes out of demand. 2. Mini home decor items. 3. D-print lamps, vases, wall art, and table decorations. Homes need beauty, and customers love modern, creative designs. 3. Personalized nameplates. Offer custom door signs, desk nameplates, and business tags. Everyone wants something unique that represents their identity. 4. Prosthetic parts for animals. You can print low-cost wheelchairs, leg supports, and braces for injured pets. It solves real problems and creates emotional value. 5. Custom jewelry and accessories. Make earrings, rings, bracelets, and unique fashion pieces. Lightweight, affordable, and easy to customize. 6. Replacement household parts. Print things like knobs, handles, hinges, and missing pieces of appliances. People hate throwing things away. This service saves money. 7. Action figures and mini characters. Gamers, collectors, and kids love custom figures. You can create heroes, avatars, and models from scratch. 8. Educational tools for schools. Print models of planets, organs, shapes, maps, and machines. Teachers always need hands-on learning tools. 9. Architectural models. Help architects create house models, bridges, and city layouts. It makes their presentations look professional and clear. 10. Custom cookie cutters and kitchen tools. Print cutters in any shape, names, animals, cartoons. Bakers love unique designs that make their cakes stand out. 11. Cosplay props and costume parts. Fans want high-quality helmets, swords, armor pieces, and accessories. This niche grows every year. 12. Car and motorcycle accessories. Offer custom key holders, interior parts, badges, clips, and small components. Useful and high demand. 13. Pet accessories. Print pet tags, feeders, toys, and even mini houses. Pet parents want creative, cute items. 14. Smart storage solutions. Create drawer organizers, desk tools, cable holders, and small space-saving items. People love organization. 15. Medical training models. Print organs, bones, and kits for medical students. Schools need realistic, affordable training tools. 16. Personalized gifts. Offer custom awards, love notes and shapes, anniversary items, and 3D portraits. Emotional gifts always sell well. 17. Gaming accessories. Create controller stands, keyboard pieces, card holders, and mini storage boxes. Gamers always need upgrades. 18. Drone parts. Design lightweight frames, propeller guards, landing gear, and custom attachments. The drone market is growing fast. 19. Shoe prototypes and insoles. 3D print ergonomic insoles and unique shoe models for designers or athletes. Comfort products always attract buyers. 20. Business branding items. Make company logos, 3D signboards, keychains, and promotional items. Every business needs branding tools. Closing. 3D printing is not just technology, it is an opportunity to bring ideas to life. Whether you want a small side hustle or a full business, these 20 ideas can help you start fast and grow confidently. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.